How to buy Clancy token. Now, before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you found on my channel, please do your own research. Now, before going on buy this token, make sure to check the X account and keep following the updates about this token, and don't forget to check their Telegram channel too. Now, as you can see, this token is available on CoinGisco. To be able to buy this token, what you need to do is just go on contracts, click here to copy the token address. As you can see, this token address is under the BNB Smart Chain section. To be able to buy this token on your wallet, now go and open your MetaMask. What you need to do is just select the BNB Smart Chain as a network from here. Click on these three dots, click on import tokens, click on a custom token, and you can paste the token address in the search bar. As you can see, this is our token. Click on next. Now click on import. As you can see, this is our token. Click on it. Now what you need to do is just click on swap. Now switch from here. From the top you can select the token that you want to buy with. For example, I will use USDT for that. Now after that, click on it. Now here you can type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you receive that token, as you can see here. So if you don't find what you do, click on continue swapping. Wait a few seconds to be able to find your token, the amount that you will receive that token here. As you can see, this is it. Now after that, click on swap, and before that, make sure to read all that information here, and if you are ready to go, just click on swap and you will be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy Clancy token. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.